Alright guys, we found a OEM Toyota bed mat, so we're gonna go pick it up from Mark. Let's do it. Alright, let's go buy a fucking Tundra. Alright guys, we got our cash. Let's get our bed mat. Bed mat's in. Pretty nice, perfect fit. Perfect fit. And I like it a lot better than the Lost Fit one. All right, we got the bed mat. It was a great deal, 80 bucks for that thing. So super happy that I got it. And now I'm thinking I want to go camping. So I think I'm gonna go to this lake. I'm gonna bring one of my mountain bikes and fishing pole, simple camp setup. We'll make some food, just chill out solo. So, all right, so we got a bunch of stuff packed up. All right, bike's loaded up. All right, quick stop for some meals. I think I want this one. Definitely want this thing. All right, got some essentials. Found this cool beer, Outlaw Light. Looks pretty good. So we'll try that. Got a meal. Got some bobbers, got some water. Got a bell pepper, got some like a beef stick, I got a fucking banana. Truck's parked over there, and we're chilling right here. I think this is a good spot. Do a little fishing. All right, guys, we are fully chilling. This is so nice. Bunch of people like paddle boarding and doing all sorts of stuff. Little tiny little bass, I guess. Well, that was fun. Let's try a different spot. Let's see what's down here. Oh, this is nice.
No, I would pay like a good $125 for something like this, cause it's nice, you know. I got one, it was really cheap. I was like, okay. All filming when we were coming up here, I was like, oh, Morgan and Derek and Nate are all talking.
No fish, but whatever, it was fun. I'm gonna go find a spot to camp. Got the drinks cooling. Still gotta use the bike. I'm gonna use the bike when I get to the site. Alright, we're on dirt. Guys, look at this view. Bro, this spot is crazy. What? Guys, we're out here. Alright, I think we're gonna try to go up this hill, see what happens. Alright, not a horrible spot. Guys, it's like golden hour right now. Look at this shit. but I just don't know. It's hard to, like, there's honestly so many good spots. I don't know what to pick. All right, so we'll set up here. There's fucking a lot of bugs. Damn. Fucking swarmed. All right, guys, this is how you camp, you know, chill. You don't need like a fucking $20,000 rooftop tent. I mean, I used to have a topper on my 3rd gen and it was nice. Like, I slept in it, it was cool, but this works totally fine. You know, just a cheap tent, fits just perfectly. And yeah, it works. So this is the setup. We're really out here. All right, going for a bike ride. This is actually so sick. Guys, this is so sick. I just hauled ass down that hill on the bike. And now we're walking on this. Woo! We are out here. Look at that view. I mean, that is just, gets pretty wild over there. All right, I'm gonna keep going down. Let's do it. Rocking the Crocs, because who gives a fuck, right? Look at that thing. There's probably like a mountain lion stalking me or something right now. But we're good. We'll outrun it on the e-bike. But it's getting dark, so I'm gonna head back to my truck. We're home. Base camp. That adventure earns another beer. This is it, guys. This is all. Cheers. Oh, that's crisp. I love this truck. Toyota, sponsor me. Yeah, definitely wish my dogs were here. Fucking bugs, man. Ah! Definitely wish my dogs were here and my girlfriend, but this is chill. Yeah, but for any of you guys who like to camp, I mean, this is how I do it. I find dispersed camping and I look like places where they're harder to get to and just less people would want to go. So I try to just go there and it usually works out. Cheers to 200 subs. Let's get to 1,000 subs. I'm doing a giveaway and I'll do something else. So definitely subscribe if you're watching and I'm gonna kill this beer. Cheers. Subscribe. All right, it's getting dark. The bugs are fucking so bad. I'm gonna cook here in a sec, but we're chilling. Sun's pretty much set. We're back on the bike. Just thought I'd explore a little bit more. It's dark as shit, but flying on these roads. It's definitely kind of creepy out here. I mean, definitely no one else out here. Oh, whoops. I could just keep riding all night. Just up and down this path here, but I should probably cook soon. Got our jet boil going. Yeah, it's super simple, guys. You just boil the water. All right, looks okay. Make sure you take this packet out. But truck's holding up. Just home base here. We're sleeping in the bed. We got everything we need in the cab. And we're making hot food. And we got beer, we got water, we got snacks. Appetizer, some of this red pepper, so. Food's done. It's just chicken and rice, but it's not bad. Let's try it. I gave it like a 6 out of 10. It's not horrible. Not at all. All right, we're chilling in our tent. And honestly, this rice and chicken was actually really fucking good. Chilling on the roof of the truck. Tent is super cozy, so yeah, we're gonna go to bed in a bit. We're in the tent. Go to bed. See you guys in the morning. All right, we're up. It's like 6 a.m. Sun's coming up. Slept not the worst night, but definitely not the best night of sleep. Truck was super cozy. Alright, getting things packed up and we'll get out of here. Yeah, so I could have stayed here. It's kind of like a better sweeping view, but I just didn't like the poles. We're back. I could ride around all day here. There's so many little trails that go down. Gonna make a cup of coffee and got some coffee. Got my fresh cup of coffee. Delivered soon. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. All right, we're out of the hard part. Almost back on the road. All right, back on the road. Guys, oh shit. What do we have here? All right, let's check this thing out. Ooh. Fuck yeah. Thickness. Nice. Super good quality. Shouts out to Rival. If you have the SR5, you have to get this cross member too. So only the TRD Sport or the off-roads or the pros have it, so I also bought this from them. The Rival skid plate. Few reasons why I bought it. It's got the oil door. It was 350 bucks, which is like the lowest priced one I could find. And I like the look of it. It's got clean, you know, it's got these slotted areas for airflow, and it's just super clean. It looks really nice. And I got the cross member as well for 50 bucks. So shouts out to Rival. And all right, let's take this old skid plate off. And it's out. Look at this piece of shit. It's not protecting you from anything. Now we gotta get this cross member right there. All right, so here's the cross member. You bolt it in right here. Washer in the back. And yeah, so now, before it was just this plastic piece, but now you got something for it to really mount to, so. All right, so you basically install that bolt, that one, and that one, like halfway. Then we're gonna slide the plate on. All right, it's on. It's kind of a pain in the ass, the middle part. But yeah, pretty easy other than that. Looks pretty good. Shouts out Rival. All right, finished the install. Took longer than I thought, but we did it. Super stoked to get that skid plate on. And yeah, I mean, that thing, I ordered it on Thursday and it got here Sunday morning. But yeah, super happy with this video. We got the bed mat, we did a cool camping trip, and got the skid plate installed. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Keep building this truck out, and yeah, more adventures, more shit. So subscribe, stay tuned, and see you guys next time.